Hello. Are you adorable? Get him, Charity, get him. Use my gloves. Okay. We will have foods. Hi. Morning. Are you chasing a bug? That's adorable. I'm glad you can see that bug. That's very good. Okay. We have needles today. Oh, your eyes look so good in there. Oh, get her. Oh. Oh. You're so cute. You two are very scampy. Very scampy. How are you? Can I sit here with you? Oh, so much purring. It's so much purring. So, ringworm tests are going out in the morning. So, hopefully we'll get results in a couple of days, and then we'll know about the downstairs ferals, and we'll know if the flyers are on their way. And we'll see what happens with these guys and those guys, and hopefully we can combine these guys in hope and faith. We'll see what Dr. F thinks. Look at that little giant belly. It's just giant. It's so giant and crusty. It's a lot of crust. And you have a lot of crust too. You do, and you're so handsome. Look at all that. Look at your giant wormy belly. Oh, you know what I can do today? You know what we can do? Oh, just have at it there. Have at it. Hey. Oh, you have 2 testicles. Good job. Good job. Look at your sister. She's so silly. Worms, magical fruit. You're a big boy. You're tiny, tiny and giant. You're so cute. I'm surrounded by purrs. You're so cute. I can't even stand it. Soon you will have more space. Just depends on the tests. Alright. Ooh. Alright, let's see. Did I weigh you today? I think I did weigh you already. So, here goes. Hi, do you see me? Can you see this? Nope. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh, you tell him. You tell him. Oh my goodness, what's happening over there? You tell him. Look at her. She does not run away when given the opportunity. No, she just likes the drama. Okay, here we go. Look at your eyeball there. Hokey hope. Looking pretty good. Let's see if I can change the Hope's good eye is actually looking really good right now. It's looking spectacular right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, listen to that. Listen to that drama. I need a blanket. One right here. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of drama, isn't it? Soon you will have that to deal with. Let me just clean up your little snack here. Oh, does that sound interesting? Oh my goodness, listen to that. Listen to that. Are you hiding from the drama? Hi. Alright, let's start with some eye meds. Oh my goodness. I think Dr. F will be pleased with your progress. In one eye anyway. This eye was looking quite good. I mean, relatively speaking, of course, good. Why do I make such a good scratching post today? This eye looks not good. Not good at all. Oh my goodness, there is some serious drama happening over there. It's just drama. Just ferocious fierceness. Oh, I'm being attacked. No, it's ringworm protocol. Breach. You're very scampy for a sick blind kitten. You're very scampy. Come on, let me take a look at this. Alright, this eye is good. This eye looks like crap. Nobody's being murdered over there. It's just your dramatic little friend. No, don't climb me. Don't climb me. Oh no. I know. Someday we will get you a scratcher in here. I think that we have one. I just have to find it. Just like everything else. It's probably somewhere. Let's see. Let me pick some of your crusties. There. Thank goodness that sore doesn't look nearly so bad. That was not good, but looking much better. So one good eye that you can definitely see out of. That's good. We're all happy with that. We'll take what we can get, right? This eye, I don't see. Oh my gosh. I don't see an eyeball. Ooh. But Charity, you get him. Whoops. Oh, wrong country now. I'm going to distract them with a... Oh, thank you. It's funny because she's not actually trying to escape. She's just being dramatic. She's being so dramatic. Oh my gosh. He's not even touching her now. Drama kittens. You know what I mean? You guys were pretty dramatic when I first picked you up. Do you remember that? You remember how hard you fought to stay in the gas can? If only you knew, you would have just jumped right into the van with me. Hi there, Faithers. That looks pretty good. Pretty good. How about this side? You're so pretty. At least I can see part of your eyeball again, Faith. One of them. The cloudy one. Even if your eyes don't work again, you're still gonna have an awesome life. You won't even know the difference. You probably can't even remember when you could see. This could have started before her eyes even opened, so she possibly never really had eyesight. Oh, I know who Boo and Finster's mama is. And it looks like there was a tabby sibling at one point, but he was long expired, unfortunately. He was one of the 75%. Yes, he's with Nano. Nano's chewing on his ear now. Here, have a little snack. How's your hydration? Oh, you're pretty good. You're pretty good. Let's see, how are we doing here? Oh, we did get test results for Radley's ear gunk. 3 different kinds of bacteria. Resistant to doxycycline, tetracycline, and amoxicillin. Oh my gosh. There's so much drama over there. Are you gonna purr? Oh. I feel like you'd give Chance a run for his money. With eyeballs or without them. No, I don't. I need to look her up. I forget what, Jolene. I think her name is Jolene. She's a Torby. Very beautiful. Looks just like Boo. But she came out of the area where Gwen. I'm just. Oh my gosh. Alright. I'm gonna go put an end to this drama. Excuse me. Excuse me. Come here. Come here. No, don't attack him. I'm helping you. No, I'm helping you. You can dish it out, but you can't take it? Is that what's happening? You can dish it out, but you can't take it. You know what you guys need? is a tent. Let's see, I'm gonna go get you a tent. Maybe that will keep you distracted. Or you're welcome. What's going on? The sounds of silence. Are you getting your sister's tail? Okay. Oh. What are you doing? Are you trying to hatch those? Well, hi. You... Here, can you reach it? Here, can you get this? Let's try this. Oh, if you're gonna eat, I'm not gonna distract you. I know you can see, sort of. Can you... How's your depth perception? Can you get it? I was going to give your sister her eye meds, and then she decided conveniently to eat some snacks as a diversion delay tactic. Here, I'm going to wipe your pus. Your pus ooze. There. Oh, I got part of your crust from over there. I should have named you after things that are crusty. Things that are crusty. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Things that are crusty or things that are bald. Things that have a lot of lesions everywhere. See, there's no... no hair growth really there. You're just crusty everywhere. You still have clumps falling out. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Look how cute you are. Oh, does that feel so good? Oh, you're so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to give you fluids because you don't need them, but I'm going to give your sister some and she's going to be mad. You look good, and I've seen you eating and drinking. Maybe while she's chowing down, I'll get you some fresh water. Oh, listen to that. That was some snurfles. Oh. Maybe I'll just draw up your fluids while you finish your snack. How's that? How's that? Should be nice and warm. We may need to cool it for a minute or two. Oh. Gonna be too warm. Much too warm. Cool for approximately 1 minute. Just long enough to do some eye meds. Right? Oh, you're a good girl, aren't you? You're so cute. So cute. Let's see. Okay, eye meds. Oh, man, that's terrible. I don't know. I hope we can save your eyes. I hope we can. I hope we can. We're gonna try anyway. We should have to get these ulcers taken care of. These ridiculous ulcers. Let's see. Oh, what's so much purring? Remember when you thought I was going to eat you and there was no purring then? But there's purring now. That was a good one. I just picked a big booger. Make some room for some air. Really good. Let's let that go in. Oh, so much purring. It just, you know. You are going to be so sweet. Whoever adopts you two is going to be so lucky. You two together. Yes. You two as a pair, obviously. You're going to be so lucky. Good girl. What a good girl. Now listen. This is the part that you don't appreciate until it's over. Okay, and I'm sorry. But it will make you feel better. Let me just check the temperature. Oh! Oh, perfect. Okay. Perfect. Well, now she's gonna see. She's doing this on purpose. Okay. How much are you? About 20 is probably good. All right. You can get back to your eating when we're done. Here, actually, you can eat now if you want to eat. There you go. But I'm gonna have to. This is the only way that I can do fluids with these guys. Scruff and then pinch. She's still purring. That's okay. Wheels in. Good girl. Good girl. What a good girl. Halfway. This is a slightly smaller gauge needle, so it's a bit harder to push. Yeah, you were done. What a good girl you are. She purred the whole time, almost purred the whole time, because she's such a champ. Good job. Yeah, good work. Good job. You're so special. It'll make you feel good. Yes. Oh my goodness. When did you get so adorable? How's your tail look? Interesting about this tail because I don't know if she has a kink in it or if she broke the end of it. Or if it's just a worm. Oh! Look, okay, can you look up here? Can you look over here? What's this? Can you look at this? Oh. What a good girl. She definitely tracks better on her left. But she hears oh, you almost fell off. You almost fell off. You do a pretty good job faking it. Yes, you do. Very good job faking it. And can you look up? I know. You're so cute. Wait, no, where are you going? Where are you going? Let's see, what else? She said, don't do that. There's a big ringworm crust right there. A big one. Oh, a flop and a roll. Oh my gosh, there's your belly. Come here and show everyone how cute your belly is. It's so cute. It's very big. We'll do another deworming soon. We have no hair growth there. That's no, you guys, it's gonna take you guys longer. Your little toesies are bald. All the classic ringworm spots. Except your face isn't too bad. Oh, are you gonna go have a snack? Oh, it's so cute. Look at those little tails. Good job. I created an obstacle course for you. Alright, garbage. Non-sterile. Look, do you see this bug? You see this? And then look. Do you see that? That's okay. love you no matter how you are, no matter how many ways in which you are special. How about a clean purple blanket? Alright, that's good. Oh, someone's attacking me again. Oh, someone's feeling better. Someone's feeling better. How about a chicken fish over there? And some garbage. You are so cute. Hey, Hope. Oh, your right eye looks, relatively speaking, very well. And your left eye is the one that I can see a bit of eyeball at least, but it's definitely not, it's an angry eyeball, not a happy one. But, oh, well that's not how that was supposed to work. Just one more mess to clean up. No big deal. Snacks. Like there's enough for some apple. Okay, you have a clean bed, at least for a few minutes. Oh, good job, girls. Okay, we got eye meds, we're good, good. Fluids. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, I think we're good in here. What'd you do? Did you guys knock over your special distraction? That's impressive. Oh, maybe the battery died. Oh, here it goes. Okay. There you go. Oh, you can keep there. Let's put that over there. Okay. Oh, I didn't turn the light off. Well, the nice thing over here was to turn the light off.